Namhlanje sisezingkwazi olwandle mina nomuntu wami.
Sote tukupea amadolo.
Awu ngeke ukuguqa amadolo hayi. Ngo ngimncane indoda yomuzulu. Usabelo ngoba bukani nje umfana omuhle omunyama.
Vele fana ujabule moya.
Uzufete ngo.
Hayi buwa uyaphetha.
No, he is the most loving person. Yamthanda. He makes me happy. I'm always happy around him.
Oh, usimanje isikhathi ukuthi ngathi sigaba abantwana yabo.
Yeah, ish. Nganabantwana. Yeah. Bengazi ukuthi uzokhuluma ngendaba yabantwana. Uhlezi enakho lokho ukuthi sikhulume sibe nabantwana sethu.
Ndaba yefoni netopic.
Ayifoni. It's just that women ayikho easy because angithi umuntu mina njengoba ngimdala ama-chances okuba nabantwana ayaba mancane. Mhlazi sekenze ngaba nama-operation. So sometimes ngibe nokucabanga ukuthi mhlampe ikusazoba possible yini ukuthi umuntu abe nabantwana. But this is a very awkward conversation. Part kwami naye for obvious reasons, of course. Wena uma kufaka esende somntwana womfana noma intombazane. And then abe ngangami.
Ngajabulani nonke ngithanda. Ngithanda wena. Ngiyabona ngijabulani ngoba you from God. Look like umuntu ongayenza isikaye manje. So yini engangifuna kuthanda.
Wow. Yo, ngikhululekile. Talking about this, kwenza nje ngithi ukuthi ngibe relieved kancane ngoba uSabelo bengakhetha nanoma ubani. Kodwa he chose ukuthi abe nami and is always there for me. So yeah. So yeah, I'm so grateful.
As a boyfriend, I also have like, I feel jealous sometimes whenever you have, you know how you communicate
Yes,
to them.
I do.
You know how friendly you are
Yes,
to them,
I do.
you understand? So yeah, those are things that make me feel uncomfortable and...
Honey, you know that I'm a friendly person.
You're a friendly person?
A friendly
person.
Yeah, and I talk to everybody.
Yeah.
You know? My baby's over. Is he trying to be that person? Is he trying to make me look like a bad person? Due to that person, me I talk to everybody. If a person goes to me, I can't just be on me to be like, I can't. I have to greet back. I was not raised like that.
It's not that I want her to change. That's not what I want. Okay? I want us, because every time we have like pillow talks or something like that, we get to an agreement, you know? So it's like you're making a promise to someone and you don't fulfill your promises, you change. That's crazy.
But then, like, me no longer being that high goodbye person, don't you think it's gonna make other humans think, okay, what is wrong with this girl? Why isn't she greeting me now?
Man, the only thing is, man, you can greet them, you understand? But starting a conversation, asking them how the day was, you don't do that sometimes with me. So that's the only thing that bothers me. Man, you don't.
No, I do.
No, you pay much attention to them, you understand? And you end up losing a bit. You can't manage each other, man. You can't.
What do you mean I can't manage it? I can't balance.
Yeah, you can't balance. That's the word I was looking for. Thanks for that also, you know.
We stay at, let me put it this way, with my in-laws. So the dominated by men. Let's put it that way. Why are you asking people's day? You shouldn't be asking that thing. I mean, like, really? I understand you're overprotective and you are a jealous type, but I'm not gonna cheat on you.
It's not more the same now, you understand? You older than me, you should know what's good, what's not.
But then I thought
You understand?
you were okay. Like,
You thought, you didn't ask me then.
yeah, I know.
You understand?
I'm supposed to be the one that is insecure because he's hot. He is hot. Just saying, he's hot. And yeah, like him being insecure over me, it's like, seriously?
You know very well that communicating is the key, like that's the only thing I want. Like I want her to tell me whenever she's going out, where she going with, who's gonna be there, what she gonna be doing there, you understand?
At least now I know. I thought I was being helpful and sweet to other people, but I guess I was actually bringing my ass.
Nay, you're actually doing that.
I didn't realize that was that bad. I honestly didn't. I'm so sorry that I actually didn't realize it.
You don't need to apologize.
No, I do,
Everything's cool.
because at the end of the day, I would think I'm still loved until you when I be upon what I did.
Nah, it's not like that, no.
I feel like an idiot now. Like, I just feel like an idiot. It doesn't make sense. I feel like he's asking for a lot. It doesn't make sense for me. Like, he's in trouble, so yeah, he's not happy.